morning. Today we are going to discuss electricity, some basic concepts of electricity in this class. First we will discuss current. Current is known as the rate of flow of charges. It implies that in unit time the charges which flow is known as current. We can express it as I is equal to Q by T. Here I is current measured in ampere, Q is charge which is measured in coulomb, and T is time measured in second. Here we can see that the charge which can flow in unit time, generally it is in 1 second, is referred as current and it is measured in ampere. Now we will move to the another concept, circuit. Circuit is generally referred as the continuous and closed path of current. It is a path of current which is closed. It is the continuous and closed path of current. Suppose we have a setup in which there is a battery with positive terminal and negative terminal, wire and a bulb. Whenever the wire will be completely connected, the bulb will glow and this setup will be termed as circuit. Whenever there will be any breakdown, it will be not considered as a circuit. Now we will move to the another topic, which is resistance. Resistance is the resisting capacity of any material or any equipment or any component to the current. Resistance is the property of resisting current. It is the property of resisting current and measured in ohm. Its symbol is as it is represented here. Here we can see in this diagram the bulb. Bulb is also a resistor and it's resisting the flow of current, or we can say that any component which consumes electricity is known as resistance. Here bulb is a resistor and it is resisting to the flow of electron or flow of charge. Now we will discuss the topic voltage. Voltage is generally the compelling force which is responsible for movement of charges. Or in a simple way we can say that the work done on any unit charge to move it from one point to another point is known as voltage. It is the work done on unit charge to move it from one point to another point. It is measured in voltage. It is measured in volt. Voltage is measured in volt and represented by V. Now I am concluding the topics whatever we have studied till now. In this setup, the battery is the source of voltage. Bulb which is consuming electricity is the resistor and it has some resistance, and the charge which is flowing through the wire is constituting the current. Now we have gone through the topics current, circuit, resistance and voltage, and the complete path of this current is circuit. Thanks.